So how does your brain master a language? It's a good question, no? So let's try to see together. It's interesting, really interesting, because the functions that are useful for the language or languages, they will come from two different areas of your brain. And well, the first one will be the area called the Wernicke's area, and the second one will be called the Broca's area. So clearly, when you learn a language, and if you learn French, you will have to use these two different areas of your brain, which is really, really interesting because it will explain few things. You will see in a few minutes. The first one, the Wernicke's area, will allow us to understand languages. So this Wernicke area will give us this possibility to understand languages, and so it means that all the languages will be stored in this Wernicke's area, whereas the Broca's area that will be used for oral expression will be structured in a different way, because this one will be clearly only for the oral expression in one or more languages. So it means that the two areas first will store different aspects of mastering the language, and because they are functioning in two different ways, it will be extremely challenging to master fully a language. So the Wernicke area does not differentiate between languages. So basically this area will put all the languages that you learned, and it will not differentiate them, and basically you will go there, you will just take all the words and it will be totally okay. This is the reason why, basically you will have a direct access to the understanding once you reach a certain level. It's the same speed, it will be the same understanding as your native tongue. Whereas the Broca's area, remember, Broca's area is only focused on the oral language. It will create a specific space for each language. So it means that you will have your little box for speaking French, your little box for speaking English, your little box for speaking Spanish. They will be, all these skills, all these things will be, or languages, will be stored in a different space. They won't be in the same space as for the Wernicke area, who is like giving you this understanding, conception of a language and the languages that you master. So knowing that these two areas are involved, it explains this simple question that I've been hearing so many times. How is it possible that I've got the feeling that I understand, I read well, I can write quite well, but it's difficult to speak French? This is one of the reasons. It's because the things, these skills are not located in the same areas of your brain, and that the Broca's area is extremely tough, because basically it means that it is structuring the languages in different little boxes. So in that case, the concept, the idea is that because it's the brain, so basically it means that it's just like exercising. It's like sports. You just need to practice, and after that you will be skilled in that area too. So in that case, you will have to work a little bit more on your Broca's area by practicing your oral expression. It's simple, and trust me, it will work every time.